boy. Hey you, respect my culture, tradition, heritage, dignity, language, respect. I am not a foolish person who can refuse to submit to the rhythm and start being proud of black. I'm proud of being black. I'm proud of being a Venda boy. Mobilized and mobilized, combined and combination, determined and dedicated, perseverance and wisdom. I am a Venda boy. God chose me to be a Venda boy. That's Venda. Dinner Uvaramada Pasiabada, and in each front, I want to know I was saying that was not so to them or so to them. He didn't even have a room to the one in his online. I still didn't get to Parade.
Vivons